Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company BeautyForever. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Unit that I will be showing you guys today is their 13x4 lace front wig. This one is 150% in density. This is a body wave texture and this is long. This one is 24 inches. With this unit, you will get your two combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. You also do get your soft lace. And then you will get a pre-plucked hairline, and it does come with some baby hairs around the hairline that you can customize. The baby hairs on this one are kind of long, so it's totally up to you if you're going to use them. And then the front of the hairline did come slightly bleached. Just the front area is totally up to you if you want to finish bleaching the rest of the knots. The knots weren't big at all. So I did go ahead and wash this unit off of camera, and I did go ahead and bleach the rest of the knots just to kind of match up. As you guys can see, the wave pattern did leave the building. It was pretty much straight after I washed it. Now, I could have scrunched the hair up to kind of give it more of a wave, but the wave pattern just didn't stick around after I washed the unit. So I'm just putting the unit on my head now. And of course, it is a little bit big on me, and there is some excess lace on the side by my ear. So I am going to go ahead and cut that off and then finish cutting off the rest of the lace on this unit. After cutting off the lace, now I'm going to go in with my got2b High Insta Hold Spray. And I have been loving this spray, y'all. It dries down really good. It smells good. It does not flake up on me. I mean, I've just really been enjoying this. Yes, I still like the bedhead hardhead spray if I want a super long hold, but this one works just as well. So it's totally up to you, just depending on what you like. But I'm just moving that up, and then I'm just pressing everything in. Of course, I like to go in with my little towel on the side and wipe off any excess spray that has dripped down. And then I always take my rat tail comb and just kind of press everything in to make sure that none of the lace is rolling up. And then of course on the side, I'm gonna have to end up spraying a little bit more spray just to kind of lay everything down. After putting some extra spray on, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, of course, to just kind of speed up the process. One thing about this spray that I absolutely love is just it dries down quick. As soon as I pulled the lace up and set it on top of the spray, it had already started to kind of melt in by the time I finished spraying down the sides and everything. So it doesn't take me long to melt the lace down at all. So there are going to be a couple of pieces that I am going to have to go in and fix up. I'm going to spray some spray on the end of the rat tail comb, just kind of go under those areas that I see may still be lifting, and just kind of push them in, and then use the blow dryer, of course, to make sure it is all dried down. I'm just going to focus on my parting. Now, this is only a 13x4, so I don't have like too much space to really go into, but I am going to do a curve part today, and your girl is going to go a little bit crazy with the baby hairs. I knew I wanted a dramatic look in the front. I'm not going to curl this unit. I am going to rock it straight. So I wanted something extra in the front area, but let's focus on that. Oh, let's focus on that. That looks like scalp. That looks so good as soon as I pull those hairs out. Now, as you guys can see, they do look a little bit thick. I could have went in and plucked some, especially on the side. Now, this is how the wig looks. I did not do any extra plucking, so I do think it could have been plucked a little bit better on the side, but because I am cutting those hairs shorter and will be using baby hairs, then I'm not really going to be too concerned about it. Mold these baby hairs, I am going to be going in with the wax stick, of course, to push some of that hair back. And then I will be using my got2b gel. It has been forever since I used the got2b gel, but you guys will see in my future videos I will be using the got2b gel more, and also Gorilla Snot. I know it has been forever since I did that, but I just kind of want to take it back to the basics. Yes, I still love my phone. Yes, you guys will still see me using my phone in certain videos, but I'm just trying new techniques to see exactly what I like and what will work better. So I'm gonna finish off the front, and then you guys will just see me going back and forth just to kind of make sure that everything is laying down good. Now that the front area is laid down and my sideburns, I'm gonna go in with my wax stick, and I'm going around the hairline and also at the top of the unit and by the parting space. And I'm gonna take my Kendras Boutique hot comb and just begin to kind of press everything out. Now this hot comb does go all the way up to 500 degrees. I feel like it is really good. I have used several hot combs before, and this is hands down my favorite. It definitely gets the job done. Now this unit is 150%, and it is a true 150%. It is thick from the top to the bottom. They did not skimp you on any type of hair, so I am having to put some elbow work in just to kind of press everything out. I do feel like it could have been a little bit less density in the front area, but I'm definitely going to make it work. You can also mold that on your mannequin head if you know exactly how you want to wear your unit. I did run across a couple of snags in the very front area, so I'm just making sure to brush it out before I start styling this any further. Now I will be using my Kipozi flat iron. I've been having this flat iron for about 2 years now, and I got it off of Amazon, and I love this flat iron still, especially when you want to take bigger sections and you don't want to be taking all day. Because this hair is so thick, I knew not to break out my smaller flat iron. I definitely could have, but it was going to take long. You guys seen this unit pretty much look straight after it was air dried, and I could have went in and curled it, but I just decided to just see what it looks like when it is nice and sleek. It didn't take me long to flat iron this hair at all, especially because I did take the bigger flat iron. Now any other products that I am using can be found down below in the description area, but this is what one side is looking like, and then I'm going to flat iron the other side off of camera. Now what I'm doing right here is just opening up the parting space. The parting space was just kind of tight, and because it wasn't a long parting space, I wanted it to look open and more natural, so I'm just taking the tweezers and just going in between those areas to just open it up a little bit wider. Go too heavy on the plucking. I did not want this to be parted like the Red Sea and be parted too wide. I still want it to come off looking natural, and then of course the powder is going to help open it up even more. So I'm putting some powder around the hairline and then also into the parting space, and as you guys can see, it just matches up really well. So guys, I am done with this 24-inch body wave hair that I decided to straighten out, and I think it looks good. I did forget to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. That definitely would have helped combat any type of frizziness or flyaways, but I still feel like it looks good for me not to have added that in. Once again, this hair is long, okay? It's long. This one is 24 inches, and it starts at 10 inches and it goes up to 26 inches. I definitely can feel this unit on my head. It's not super lightweight in my opinion, just because it does feel heavy and it is long, so I can feel it on me. The lace on this unit melted down really good. I mean, it's just blended in so well. I don't have any cons. Now, this lace does come in brown lace or transparent. I will definitely make sure to ask the company which one that I have. I believe I have the brown one just because it matched up so well. And I didn't use any tint spray. This was just powder. I did go in and bleach the knots. They took very well, but they already pre-bleached the knots for you in the front of the hairline. And the baby hairs, even though I know some people may not be a fan of it, I think it looks really good. I'm trying to work on the baby hairs and the sideburns, so you guys will see me doing a little bit more. As far as tangling and shedding goes, I did run across a little bit of tangles in the beginning, but after I flat ironed the unit, it was fine. I did notice some shedding when it came to this unit before I flat ironed it. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit. If you are interested, I'll leave all the links down below once again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.